Hey everyone, myself Anas Khan, and today we are here for the Postman API Fundamental session with Postman certificates. Yes, let me know in the comments if you're excited or not, and then we'll start in few minutes. Tab tak, what I'll do, I'll just put up the slides and I'll start with the introduction of mine so that you guys will get familiar who I am. Let me add the comments. I hope you can see the slides. Write thumbs up in the comments if you can see the slide. We'll start. So this session is for everyone who are new in the API and the Postman. हम क्या करेंगे? We'll learn about API's basics and how you can leverage Postman to understand APIs in more familiar way. First is me. Who am I? Myself, Anas Khan, and a front-end engineer at Lottie Pro, PSL at Postman, that is Postman Student Leader, and I'm also part of Mumbai FOSS, focus on that focuses on free and software development. I'm also the lead organizer of ScrollX. We are also building community and cool products. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of stuff. I know that sucks. Okay, great. Okay, what we are gonna learn today? First, हम क्या करेंगे? We'll introduce about APIs and what is Postman, and then we'll focus on request and response and how you can use Postman to make requests and response to the API endpoints. Then we'll try out some new things, follow-up resources, and the last Q&A. And I have a gift for you all. Just wait till the end. So first, what is API? Anyone knows API? What is API? Just let me know in the chats. Okay, just let me know. So basically, API is imagine you are in a digital restaurant and तुम जाते हो वहाँ खाना खाने ठीक है तुम रेस्टोरेंट में गए and you ordered something but you don't go to the chef and say कि हाँ मुझे ये खाना है. There is a waiter. You told the waiter that I want to eat noodles. The waiter then go to the chef and he will say that that guy want to eat noodles. The chef will make the noodles and the waiter will take that noodles and deliver to you. That's how similar the API works. Imagine there's a client and the server. They want to request something from the server. You tell the API that I want to request something. The API will go to the server and give your request, and the server will respond and it gives to the API, and the API will provide you a response. That's how API works. I hope you guys understand. Let me know in the comments if you understand or not. That's how similar the API concept is. Let's understand in a more, more better way. Basically, API is a application programming interface that allows services to communicate with each other. We all know that software has become more complex and collaborative over the years. Developers no longer need to create every surface from scratch. Like example लेते हैं ठीक है example लेते हैं Google. Continue with Google, sign up with Google. I guess हर किसी ने कोई ना कोई वेबसाइट पे ये चीज एक्सपीरियंस किया रहेगा कि they will get a chance to sign up with Google without their credentials डालना. That website is also using Google API. That's how it works. So API is everywhere, everywhere. A bit technical, I would understand is when you take photos from your camera and want to upload on Instagram. That's how it works. You take photos and you upload on Instagram. Instagram, that post goes to the server and server responds you that yeah, we have uploaded the photo on your account. I hope API full form and everything is clear. Okay, then we'll move ahead. What I said कि API हर चीज के लिए है. For example, there is a cat API, there is an open weather API. I guess the developers who started they have used open weather map or open weather API for making weather applications. There is a Discord API, Google API. Google API I said कि sign up के लिए use होता है. And there's more. There's a lot of APIs. Basically, API is everywhere, and in the software development, you will use APIs a lot. So it's better to understand how it works. And here I am for teaching you. API is like software into Lego bricks. Lego bricks in the sense कि जो API रहते हैं ना वो टुकड़ों में रहते हैं parts of and वो जब combine करते हो you can make something. That's how API is. And what is Postman? Yes, Postman is a collaborative API development platform that simplifies creating, using, and testing APIs with a UI. Postman is a tool which helps you make API requests and give you a beautiful UI that you can interact with. I mean, of course, Postman is a pretty big software which almost used by 98% of Fortune 500 companies. None will PayPal, Uber, Atlassian, Frontier, Walt Disney, Philips, everyone. Around 30 million developers uses currently. So Postman नहीं था तो how we worked? We work with curl commands. You know, normal commands where you have to make requests for each endpoints by curl commands. उसके एक practical concern था because at the end you can't go more complex with it. मतलब वो चीज तुम share नहीं कर सकते थे because we all know that curl commands में commands line में जब तुम कुछ fetch request करोगे तो वो चीज वहीं रहती है and if that tab closes your APIs is over. So there's a lot of problems and complexity in the curl command. There's come Postman. पोस्टमैन क्या करता है वो तुम्हें एक प्रॉपर यूआई प्रोवाइड करता है विद लॉट ऑफ फीचर्स लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज टू हैंडल विद ईज and it gives you a platform to make collaborative environment. For example, if you're working, of course, when you're working in a software development field, you will be working with a lot of uh, colleagues, I would say. So उनके साथ काम करने के लिए you need a platform to collaborate that Postman also provide. You can collaborate with one API endpoints to with others. That's how it works. And it is not possible in color commands. So yes, Postman simplifies a lot of stuff and it tries to solve the real world problems. So right now, currently we have learned what is Postman, what's an API, and what's the difference between curl command and Postman. Let me know in the comments if you understand or not, and we'll move ahead. Okay, okay, great, thanks. We'll move ahead. So अब हम करेंगे learn करेंगे request and response. What is request and response? Anyone just tell me in the comments. Anyone? Request is something when you are requesting, when you're asking. Response is something that will get back to you whatever you asked. Correct? With me? Okay. Example, client. Client कोई request send करता है. For example, Instagram पे photo. When you want to upload photo on Instagram, you click the photo and post it. When you click on post, the client, your phone is sending a network request to the server that, hey, I want to upload this photo as a request. Then the server will verify all the stuff, all the credentials and the properly कि तुम ही हो जो post कर रहे कि नहीं कर रहे. Then after verification, the server will respond with a 2001 created that will learn what is status code. And that's called response. That's how it works, request and response. Let's go in a deep that what is request. We all know that making request is having three types: get, post, and patch, path, delete, a lot of stuff. And we'll simplify it. Let's understand it more manners. थोड़ा समझते हैं. Get methods. Methods क्या होते हैं तुम्हारे verbs, actions. Actions means जो तुम करोगे तुम्हारा type. Because at the end अगर मैं upload कर रहा हूँ तो that is post. I want to upload something. और अगर मैं videos देख रहा हूँ, reels देख रहा हूँ तो I am getting. I'm just seeing the data. I'm not adding, updating anything else. Put patch is for update and delete is, we all know that, delete information. So if you see right here, this that's HTTPS, that's called protocol, the scheme of the request. This google.com is the host. Host means वो address जहाँ पे वो चीज जाएगी. And path is जो section पे तुम्हें जाना है. For example, search पे. That's how request methods and endpoints looks like. अगर इसको और डिटेल पे जाएं तो building your own request, that's called three main criteria, that is parameters, authorization, headers, and body. We'll see how it works. Look, this is how body looks like. Like suppose when you want to pass something with post कि अगर मुझे सर्वर पे डेटा डालना है, मेरा नेम और ईमेल और बर्थ ईयर, सो मैं वो कैसे डालूंगा? उसके टाइप्स होते हैं, फॉर्म डेटा, जेसॉन, टेक्स्ट, एचटीएमएल, एक्सएमएल, फाइल्स, ग्राफिकल एंड मेनी मोर. But one of the most preferable thing about the type is JSON, that is JavaScript Object Notation, which you can use. वो एक टाइप का की वैल्यू पेयर होता है, वो तुम्हें हेल्प करता है टू सेंड द डेटा टू द सर्वर इन अ वेरी इजी मैनर, like this: name, email, birth year. Name is Anas Khan, email is Khan Anas, birth year is 2003. Yes, that's how it works. अब हमने लर्न किया रिक्वेस्ट की, हम रिक्वेस्ट कैसे सेंड करते हैं विद गेट एंड पोस्ट. What about the response? How you can get the response? Receiving response is very uh, one of the most thing that you should understand. So receiving the response, उसके थ्री एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल स्टेटस कोड. स्टेटस कोड मतलब फ्लैग्स. मीन्स वो जो रिस्पॉन्स है वो कैसा है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, कुछ इश्यूज है उसमें, वो होते हैं. हेडर्स मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट योर डेटा. एग्जांपल लो तो जब तुम नॉर्मल किसी को पोस्ट करते हो लेटर, आई मीन लेटर, तो उसके ऊपर यू राइट एड्रेस ऑन द एनवेलप, because that address is the key information that postman, the person who is delivering your post, understand that ये चीज कहाँ पहुंचाना है. That's how headers is for the APIs. We'll see body data. What we learn today itself, we learn about methods, parameters, address, authorization, and body data. I hope you guys can understand. Just give me a thumbs up if you are understanding or not. Then we'll move ahead. If you want to learn more about the things, what we will let's see the demo if possible. Just let me know. Let me share the screen, and we can move with a lot of stuff, I would say. I'll show you the demo how everything works so that you will understand in a more better way. तब तक let me know if you have any doubts on the topics I cover, that is methods, requests, parameters, status code, everything. हम क्या करेंगे, एक डेमो देखेंगे like how you can publish and understand all of the things that I teach you today with the help of Postman. Just let me know in the comments, and then we can move. Anything that you'd like to share, anything which is possible, just let me know. Okay, I'll ask the question. Tab tak, what is Postman? Just explain in your word. Just type what is Postman for you, and what's an API for you. And if you want, you can share this session on your socials, like Insta, Twitter, Insta, and tag me and the club, and let's get started. Tab tak we'll see how tab tak I'll set up how we can use. Okay, let me share the screen. There's a bit issue with my network, I guess. So sorry for that. I hope my voice is clear. What we gonna do, ये जो हमने पढ़ा है ना, we'll recap with Postman. To make it more familiarized with you. What is Postman and how it is, how you gonna use it. Okay, let's get started. Let me share the screen. Okay. How my screen is visible. Let me know if you can see the Postman screen or not in the comment. Just type thumbs up. Postman, I'll understand it. Okay. So I guess this is enough. You can see pretty much everything now. Now what I want to do is let you know that let me just copy so it will be more easy for you to understand how everything works. Is this look familiar to you with the Google wala which I shared? This one, uh, this one. It looks familiar, right? सेम ही दिखता है ना. हाँ. So हम क्या करेंगे ना, हम जो ये है ना, एक लाइब्रेरी का एपीआई इनपुट है, और ये जो है उसका पाथ है जो पूरी बुक्स देता है, और हम इंफॉर्मेशन रिट्रीव कर रहे हैं, हम इंफॉर्मेशन देख रहे हैं. तो व्हाट वी गोना यूज गेट रिक्वेस्ट, एंड व्हेन आई क्लिक ऑन सेंड, this will call the API, and it will give me all the books that are available in the library API. This library API. Books देख लो तुम, Gabriel, fiction, VS Code books, and everything. This is books that are available. That's how get works to retrieve information. We are not passing anything. This is headers. This is body. We're gonna see how it works. And if you want to add a book, suppose अगर मुझे book add करना है तो मैं वो कैसे करूँगा? What I'll do, and what is this base URL? This is like key value pair. मीन्स अगर तुम्हें जो तुम्हारा एपीआई एंड पॉइंट है उसको तुम्हें एक नाम देना है, तो मैंने इसलिए नाम दिया बेस यूआरएल दिस एपीआई मेंबर्स को. तो एक टाइप का वेरिएबल नेमिंग यू कैन से. अब हमें पोस्ट करना है, दैट इज पोस्ट, मतलब अपलोड करना है कोई बुक. अपलोड करने के लिए क्या था, विल हैव टू गिव द बॉडी, राइट. विल आई कम इन द बॉडी, आई चूज रॉ एंड JSON because at the end we are working with JSON, and this is the data. Just let me know the book that you want me to upload. Any book that you have suggestion, कुछ भी चलेगा, और मैं अपने मन से डालता हूँ. लेट्स मैं अपने मन से डालता हूँ. इज व्हाट वी से ट्विस्टेड पोस्टमैन, एंड इट्स रिटन बाय अनस अनस खान. लेट्स से 2024. ओके ग्रेट. तो अब क्या होगा जब मैं सेंड पे क्लिक करूंगा, व्हाट यू कैन सी हियर, ओके, अ न्यू रिसोर्स वाज क्रिएटेड सक्सेसफुली. ये होता है स्टेटस कोड, जो तुम्हें बताता है कि तुम्हारा रिस्पॉन्स कैसा है, विच इज गुड और नॉट. क्रिएटेड मीन्स कुछ चीजें उसमें ऐड करी गई हैं, और मैसेज मीन्स दैट इज ओके, वी गॉट पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स. अब हम देखते हैं सच में बुक्स ऐड हुई है क्या. विल अगेन कम टू गेट रिक्वेस्ट एंड विल क्लिक ऑन टू रिव्यू ऑल द बुक्स, एंड वी कैन सी हियर अच्छे से कि हाँ कोई बुक तो मैंने ऐड की है, दैट इज ट्विस्टेड पोस्टमैन, अनस खान ऑथर है, 2024 एंड एवरीथिंग. तो अब तक क्या देखा, गेट एंड पोस्ट, हाउ टू रिट्रीव ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन, हाउ टू ऐड अ इन्फॉर्मेशन. अगर तुम्हें कुछ अपडेट करना है तो अपडेट करने के लिए क्या करोगे तुम. अपडेट में दो चीज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर तुम्हें स्पेसिफिक चीज अपडेट करना है, अगर मुझे सिर्फ चेकआउट जो यहाँ पे है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ सो यहाँ पे चेकआउट क्या है, फॉल्स है. अगर मुझे इसको ट्रू करना है, मतलब स्पेसिफिक चीज को अगर अपडेट करना है, वी यूज पैच. पैच. और अगर हमें पूरा अपडेट करना है, देन विल यूज पुट. अंडरस्टूड डिफरेंस. हम क्या करेंगे, विल अपडेट द बुक्स दैट वी अपलोडेड, उसका चेकआउट हम ट्रू कर देंगे. वो करने के लिए मुझे ये बुक का आईडी पास करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ये फिर यूनिक बुक को अपडेट करेगा, वरना हर बुक को कर देगा अपडेट, विच वी डोंट वांट. So what I'll do, I'll click here, and you can see ID here, ID. That's called parameters. I'll pass the ID here. In body, I'll write checkout true. That is JSON. And I'll click on send. What I got? 2000. That is request successfully. If you can see here, यहाँ पे 2000 आया, 2001 नहीं. क्यों? 2000 रहता है, वो बोलता है तुम्हारा रिक्वेस्ट सक्सेसफुल है. 2001 क्या करता है कि तुम्हारा रिक्वेस्ट सक्सेसफुल है, प्लस उसमें कुछ चीजें ऐड हुई हैं. अंडरस्टूड. Let's just see how to let's retrieve books. हाँ तब तक ना, what if you want to view a single book. अगर तुम्हें एक ही बुक देखना है, तुम कैसे कर सकते हो, सेम चीज, तुम्हें यहाँ पे उसकी आईडी पास करना पड़ेगा. अगर मैं इस पे क्लिक करूँ, बस तो मुझे एक बुक आ गई. यू कैन सी ट्रू, एंड यू कैन सी द चेकआउट ऑल्सो इट्स ट्रू, एंड आई एम गेटिंग जस्ट वन बुक. हमने देखा गेट, पोस्ट और पैच. अगर तुम्हें डिलीट करना हो तो व्हाट इफ, हाँ ठीक है, आई हैव अपलोडेड बुक, नाउ आई वांट टू डिलीट इट. तो डिलीट इज सेम. What do you wanna do? You wanna pass the ID. What ID? Unique ID of the book. And after that, when you click on send now, it will go and give you the message, okay, that yes, we have deleted the book. Let's just see क्या हमें बुक मिल रहा है वही बुक आईडी पे. Book with ID not found. There is, you can see 404 not found. I hope everyone has experienced this 404 not found at least once in their life. Yes, 404 not found. And if I go on the books and view all the books, क्या मुझे वो बुक दिखेगी? With the comments. No, na, right? Yeah, of course. The book has been deleted. This is the basic overview how you can use Postman. This is authorization, to authorize headers to send more information about your API, body, script, settings. There's a lot of things that you will learn. I hope you guys have understood how APIs work and how you can use API with Postman to leverage it and make it more interactive, make it more useful for the development, in future. At the end, API, learning API is very essential and it's very important thing that you need to do. So API learn karo, learn Postman because 98% of companies uses Postman nowadays. And you need to upskill. Give a thumbs up that you will learn Postman and please share this session on your socials. Tag us, tag me, take my socials, or tag the club and tag School Journey. Okay, great. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll cover it that for you. Okay, I hope you guys have cleared everything. But is the session is ended? Nahi, you understood? What you understood? You learn about APIs. You learn about post path request, response, headers, how you can use Postman to leverage APIs, and how you can. I also show you the demo that how you can use Postman and make API requests and everything. This is the basic overview how you can use Postman. But अगर तुम इससे ज़्यादा करना है तब तुम क्या करोगे? Then we move on this. If you want to learn more, for example, you understood the API, but you want to be, expert or some sort of stuff, then you continue learning that. If you're proficient, if you want to send more requests, if you want to learn how to document, write basic test script, running collection, passing data between requests and script, and everything, okay, and just like me to become a Postman student leader in your community. That's how it works. So what we will do, we'll click on this link and it will redirect you to the Postman session. If I click, okay, yes, we have swags too. I'll show you how you can do it and win some swags. Tab tak, we'll see how it works. So if I share my screen now, let me share the that screen so that you guys can see properly what is the thing you need to do. For you guys, I have created a document where you can get all the resources for completing the certification resource. And if you got stuck, you can matlab, you can join this group where all the students like you are also completing the Postman certification, though they can help you. I I believe helping is the best thing that you can do, and asking also is the best thing that you can do. So what I have done, I have created steps to follow. I'll show you some initial step. Then you can continue with videos and the resources that we have provided. I'll tell you how to do it. First, watch the day one video to enroll how Postman works. Basically, when you click on here, let me get you an example. What you have to, तुम्हें यहाँ के अपना नाम लिखना है. Suppose what if I Anas Khan. Anas, that is Khan. And if I use email address, I would like to use scroll hacks. Okay, Gmail. Use your email address and country. Of course, you are from India. India. And your college. Are you a college student or not? Please select if you're yes and write your college name. If I write my college name, that is Srimati Indra Gandhi College of Engineering. Oh, the screen is not visible. Oh, so sorry. Let me share the screen again. I forgot it. That let me share the entire screen so that it will be more easy for everyone to view. Invisible. Okay. What I have did is just click on this link. You will redirect it to this. तो तुम्हें यहाँ आके अपना नाम लिखना है, you know, your actual name, and तुम्हें अपना email address देना है. gmail.com, your own email address. And if I choose country, and क्या मैं student हूँ? Yes, I am a student. तो अपने कॉलेज का फुल नेम लिखो, दैट इज श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग. College की website. Let me see the website of my college. Let me copy. तुम्हें भी सेम करना है, सेम स्टेप फॉलो करना है टू गेट started easily. एंड करंट कोर्स में तुम हो, दैट इज बीटेक. ईयर्स ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन, कब तुम ग्रेजुएट होगे प्रॉपर जानो, दैट मी सी 2026. हाउ डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम वर्कशॉप, दिस वर्कशॉप लाइक टू सेंड. ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट. मैंने क्लिक ऑन थैंक यू. What I have got, thank you for your interest for registering Postman in the Postman. Please check your email for more instruction. Let's see the email. I'll open the Gmail and I'll click on scroll X, see if I got the email or not. Let me see, there is clicked here, I guess. Maybe there is, delay. I'll use this scrollx gmail.com. So let's see email आया कि नहीं. You will get the email for sure. Maybe there is some glitch. After that, click write Anas. What is the role? What are you learning? I am a backend developer, you can say. Then click on this. I'll redirect it to Postman Academy. हमें क्या करना है? This Postman Academy will have to go on student programs. Will gonna complete Postman Student API Fundamental Expert. I'll click on and click on Start here. And I'll enroll myself in the course. Total we have, I guess if I show the overview, total we have this module that you need to complete. तुम्हें अच्छे से complete करना है to get the certificate. If you click on Get Started, it will start and यहाँ पे you will have to complete all the stuff. ये prerequisite है कि तुम्हें क्या पता होना चाहिए. There is no prerequisite of course for this, but you are now expert. I have teach you APIs and what is API and what is Postman and how you can use Postman with APIs. Course overview, everything is started. Click on next. If you're a student, you can read all things before sign up. Okay, great. Next. And your own, like your real things will start from yes. We'll teach you what is API important. Yes, who work with APIs. You can see that full stack developer uses almost APIs everywhere. And yes, there's a lot of technologies that co-related and dependent on the APIs. So API is important, I would say. These are the chapters that you need to complete to get the certificate. And if I show you how the certificate will look like, in the step one, what we have seen the registration. You'll have to do that. And if you're getting stuck anywhere, क्या कर सकते हो तुम, ये डिस्कॉर्ड पे पोस्टमैन का चैनल है विच यू कैन जॉइन एंड आस्क द क्वेश्चन देयर. और यहाँ पे स्टेप्स भी मैंने ऐड कर चुके हैं. जस्ट व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दिस यू कैन सी द स्टेप्स कि हाउ टू रजिस्टर. ओके, और लेट्स गो फर्दर. सपोज इफ यू हैव registered, now you are ready completing the course. ये playlist है, this playlist is designed and developed by one of the senior developer advocate of Postman, which I would say is a pretty good resource to get started with Postman student certification. इन्होंने proper चीजें बताई है scratch से, and the video is not long, it's very easy and small ones which you can refer and तुम इससे complete कर सकते हो. Try to complete this. It will take almost like mostly 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes max, not more than that, and you will get a certificate from Postman that you are certified. That's how amazing it is. And if you get stuck, if you someone suppose if you get stuck in somewhere, you can always click and get Postman Student API Guide. तो जो मैं अच्छे से और explain कर देगा how you can leverage. Okay, this is how the guide looks like. Everything is there, workspace and everything, which you can see. And suppose if you have completed step 2 also, and now it's certification part. Yeah, it is 1 hour guided course, really, just 1 hour. What you will get? You will get badge from Postman that will look like this, certification like this that verify that you have certified with the proper verification. And yeah, there is a resource too how you can download. If you want, you can give a feedback too. This is, I guess, I tell you what is Swax for you all so that you will understand more. And yes, after these steps, तुम अच्छे से certification claim कर पाओगे. And after that, you can give a feedback that how would you like to rate this session. Whatever you think, just give it because ये feedback हमें help करेगा to make it more what we say like more अच्छे से और करने के लिए in future. And there is also resources and everything available here, which is for everyone, which you can use, which is more like वहाँ पे proper solve करे हुए हैं जो task दिए रहेंगे उसमें collection test भी अच्छे से हर चीजें अगर तुम एक group भी join कर सकते हो if you have any doubts or you can also join Postman Discord channel to ask him more question. So this is the certification that you need to complete. And if I come here, Postman Student Expert, I hope you have understood how it is and तुम्हें कैसे करना है. I'll share the link, of course, this one with the group so you can see and in the channel too. Now, win amazing swags. तुम swag से जीत सकते हो. Like you are now understood or you are very excited to be a Postman Student Expert and everything on so on. Win amazing swags. Whatever you have learned, share your learning with Postman, hashtag Postman Student on Twitter or on LinkedIn, or use hashtag Scroll Journey, or use hashtag Code Light and tag Postman, Scroll Journey, and Code Light and Codex Club. Or what you can say, whatever I have teach you, I have also show you a demo. You can do and try it yourself and write a blog out there. That is blog competition. Write blog. तुमने क्या learn किया, तुमने क्या experience किया, and just write it and post it on Medium and hashtag. And after posting it, tag us. Tag Postman, Scroll Journey, Code Light, and Codex Club. And there are resources that I'll share. I'll share this whole PPT with you all, and that Notion link also. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and then we can move ahead. Okay, great. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Thanks for coming, and please fill the feedback form that will help us to ensure that yeah you understood everything. And please try to complete the certification course because it is important for you all to understand how APIs. अगर तुम्हारे पास certification है, तो तुम Postman certified हो, तो तुम verified बोल सकते हो कि you know Postman and how you know how to use Postman, and that is a very important skill in a software development team. तो मुझे यकीन है you will complete it for sure. And yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys will enjoy. Best of luck. All the links, everything will be shared to you all. Please join the WhatsApp group. Yes, all the best. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a great day.